Welcome, legal professionals. Legal research is the foundation of every case, but it's not just about finding information, it's about analyzing it effectively. In today's video, we'll explore the manual process of legal research and analysis, giving you insights to strengthen your legal strategies. Okay, now, we'll walk through the 12 manual steps for conducting manual legal research. Stick around for all of them, they'll elevate your practice. Tip number 1, understand your jurisdiction. Legal research begins with knowing the applicable jurisdiction. Laws vary significantly between states, federal courts, and even local regulations. Always start by verifying that you're using the correct laws for your case. This manual step ensures you avoid applying the wrong precedents. Tip number 2, always start with primary sources. Whether you're dealing with statutes, regulations, or case law, primary sources are the foundation of legal research. Take your time to thoroughly review and interpret these documents manually. It helps you truly understand the legal framework. Tip number 3, don't just skim case law, dig deep. Precedents set the foundation for your arguments. Review related case law manually to find judgments that can either support or refute your case. This careful scrutiny often uncovers key insights that automated searches may miss. Tip number 4, don't overlook historical context. Sometimes understanding why laws were written the way they were provides valuable insight. Digging into older statutes and case histories can reveal the intent behind the law, helping you build a stronger, more nuanced argument. Tip number 5, use secondary sources. After reviewing primary materials, delve into secondary sources like legal commentaries, law reviews, and expert opinions. These sources give added perspectives and interpretations that can enrich your analysis and highlight important details you might have missed. Tip number 6, understand your opposition. Researching opposing arguments isn't just about being prepared, it's about anticipation. Take time to manually review how the opposition has presented their cases in similar matters. This will help you craft more effective counter-arguments. Tip number 7, cross-check your citations. Every reference in your research must be accurate. Manually verifying your citations helps ensure there are no errors. A well-cited argument is persuasive. An incorrectly cited one can undermine your entire case. Tip number 8, stay up to date. Laws evolve. You don't want to build a case on outdated regulations. Manually reviewing the latest updates in legal news ensures your argument is solid and reflects the most recent developments in the law. Tip number 9, organize your research. Once you've gathered all your materials, take the time to manually organize them into a logical structure. A well-outlined research plan helps you stay on track and ensures your argument flows cohesively. Tip number 10, write out complex issues. When you're grappling with tough legal questions, manually writing out your thoughts can bring clarity. This tactile approach often reveals insights you might miss when relying solely on digital tools. Tip number 11, validate your sources. Not all sources are created equal. Manually verifying the credibility of secondary materials ensures you're building your case on reliable, authoritative information. Tip number 12, double-check everything. Before finalizing your research, take time to manually review and double-check your findings. This final pass ensures that nothing has been overlooked, making your case as airtight as possible. When conducting legal research manually, you build a deeper, more thoughtful understanding of the law. It's a time-intensive process, but one that ensures thoroughness and accuracy. In a world of automation and digital shortcuts, the manual process can give you an edge. It allows for a deeper dive into complex legal issues, helping you uncover nuances that may otherwise go unnoticed. Legal research is more than just finding quick answers. It's about understanding the context and applying the law strategically. The manual process ensures that you're engaging with the materials on a deeper level. Each of these tips is practical, actionable, and essential. Whether you're dealing with a complex case or a straightforward legal question, manual research can make the difference between winning and losing. These research techniques can be applied to various types of legal documents, whether it's contracts, legal agreements, or case law reviews. The more you apply them, the more proficient you'll become. Accuracy and precision are paramount in legal research. A manual, hands-on approach ensures that every detail is considered, making your analysis more robust and dependable. While manual research is time-consuming, it's also incredibly valuable. Allocate sufficient time to each stage of the research process. This will help you avoid cutting corners and ensure that you're building a strong case. Mastering manual legal research takes time and practice. The more you do it, the more intuitive the process becomes. Make it a habit to incorporate these tips into your routine for continued growth. There are no shortcuts to thorough legal research. It's a manual process that requires patience and attention to detail, but it's well worth the effort in building Yingsafe. If you need additional support with legal research and analysis, our team at Logan IT Inc. provides experienced virtual assistants for legal professionals. Book a meeting with us today and let's discuss how we can help you lighten your workload. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more legal insights and tips.